Today, we are drawing a snail. Are you ready? Step 1. Draw a curvy L shape. Add a face to our snail. Next, draw a little antenna on top of his head. Now, let's draw a big rainbow for the snail shell. Now, let's add some color. I'm going to use orange, light green, and sky blue. Are you ready? Let's go! For more fun drawings, please subscribe.